Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm very happy because we have reached 1K subscribers on YouTube. We have officially passed the second milestone of YouTube, and I don't have words to express my gratitude towards all of you who subscribed and who have watched my videos, who commented out, who liked the videos. Thank you so much. Today I'm planning to share with you a couple of things. First of all, I want to share with you the story behind this channel, how it started, why it started. Secondly, I will share what I'm planning to do for you for the future. And lastly, at the end of the video, you will hear about the special giveaway I have for you guys as a token of appreciation for all your support. Now, going back over time, how this channel started was really interesting because I remember that in the summer of 2020, when I was trying to become a web developer, I was thinking of ways, how can I get my future employer to like me more? And how can I basically make him tell himself like, wow, this guy is amazing. Look at him. He has a bachelor degree. He's studying second bachelor degree. He has worked in the United States. He can speak 4 languages. And he has a YouTube channel and he showcases his knowledge and that he can code. So that was the main motivation of this channel first. So I wanted to create it. I created it and I uploaded some videos. I reached 100 subscribers, I remember, for like 1 month. And then I prepared my CV, I applied to the job and I was hired thanks to this. But over time, that was in the fall of 2021 when I was in the Netherlands and I was doing my specialization at the university. I remembered that my channel has around 300 subscribers and it's at the point of nowhere. So it's either gonna die or it's gonna grow. And something triggered me, as always, because I'm never happy with whatever I'm doing. I always want the best for me, for my family, even for my future wife and my future kids, for everyone around me. And I was like, fuck that, you know, I'm gonna start creating videos again. I'm gonna start uploading videos. I'm gonna reach the second milestone of 1K subscribers, and I'm gonna even reach 100K subscribers over time. And I started uploading videos again, and I noticed that the videos got popular a lot, and people liked just the content I was creating, the React.js content especially. So I focused on this, and it got some results. Now, about the future plans for the channel, what I have in mind is that I will continue creating some tutorials about React.js and all other front-end development technologies. But I'm also planning to make some tutorials on backend development, let's say some Node.js with PHP and Firebase or MySQL for database, because I want this channel to become a nice place for every newbie, for everyone who wants to learn a bit of everything in web development. So those are my plans for the future, and if you have any suggestions, make sure you comment below and I will look at them and consider your suggestions. Now, what I have for you as a token of appreciation for all your support, guys, is the following. I have decided that I will provide with free mentorship 3 people, and all you need to do is to comment below what do you like the most of this channel and the videos of this channel, and I will pick up 3 people from all the comments and I will provide those people with free mentorship. Basically, we will set up a one-on-one call and we will discuss your current problems. If you need any suggestions, help, advice about any problem you have, I will share with you my help, my expertise and my opinion, and hopefully that will work for you. And that's what I wanted to share with you today, guys. Thank you so much once again from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for watching this video again, and I see you again in the future.